Cannes Cosmetics Company Limited is one of the professional suppliers for false eyelashes in China. We have 3 years of experience in the manufacture and sales of the false eyelash, with the advanced equipment and excellent processing technique, especially with our professional ideas in the new item design, and we have become the professional leader of the false eyelash industry. We always devote ourselves to manufacturing all kinds of professional eyelashes with perfect quality creative packaging, such as 3D mink lashes, 3D mink lashes with clear band, 3D horse lashes, 3D silk lashes, 3D silk lashes with clear band, human hair lashes, eyelash extension, eyelash glue, eyelash applicators, and eyelash curler. Our company has captured a share in the world market, such as Europe, America, South America, Africa, and Mid-East. You can depend on our reputation for reliable quality. Our skilled team members will work together to finish your orders according to your exact specifications. Our products are quality approved. Our products can pass third-party test. It ensures you entry into overseas markets smoothly. You can rest easy once you've placed your orders. Cannes Cosmetic Company Limited can do OEM and ODM. Warmly welcome private label packaging. Hundreds of workers make perfect quality lashes and do fast delivery for all of our customers in the world.